2026! Happy New Year! What's up mga guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Marnada Vlog. Join us for welcoming 2026. So guys, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa videos natin. Junito Marnada Vlog. So ito na guys ang ating mga nabiling fruits. And we will ready it. Parang kulang pa guys ah. So ito na guys at mabubuo na yung ating mamahaling fruits for the new year. Ayan o. So ito na guys yung ating nabuong fruits for New Year 2026. Ayan guys. Ito lang nakayanan natin guys. 12 fruits for 2026. Okay, start na tayo. Alright. Ang tawag sa laro na to?
Agawan.
Exchange gift, agawan. Okay, something black. Wow! Okay, something pink. Alright, something white. Ano ba yan? Okay, something pink.
Oh, the pink is already here.
Something yellow. Red. Wow!
Tanit nila.
Okay, something green. Okay, something blue. Okay.
Kahit pakita niyo yung nakuha.
So something, meron pa ba?
Wala na. Dalawa yata.
Random! Uy, ko wala.
Hindi ka na pinagagaw. Ay, pakita niyo. Wait lang. Ay, pakita niyo. I-post mo na lang pag-picture.
Oh, ito.
I-post mo na lang.
Alright. Ito yung mga nakuha namin guys. Ayun oh. Alright.
Wait lang, love.
Thank you so much. Here.
May ampaw!
Pwede ba to?
Tin! Tin, may...
Ito. Okay guys, mayroong surprise. From Canada.
Yay! From Canada.
Any of them in the Canada.
Yay!
So let's start with okay, from Canada. Once again.
Ganda lang smile ko. Kita ka eh.
Tito Junie.
Yay!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Auntie B.
Care of.
Thank you so much. In behalf of Bing. Cherlyn and Ma.
Yay! Say thank you, Mike.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Happy New Year. Thank you so much. Si Ivania! Tulog! Natutulog si Ivania.
Yung gamit dun.
Kristen May!
Yay!
thank you. Bawal na mag-post.
Thank you!
Come on, Brianna! Yeah!
Nag-aabang ah.
Bakit mo pa thank you?
Say thank you.
Thank you po.
Say,
Oh.
Happy New Year.
Oh, tingin na doon. Thank you daw. And that's it. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome 2026. Happy New Year! Welcome 2026! Happy New Year! 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 Oh, ito. Ayan, ano ba to? Ito. So, Happy New Year guys! Happy New Year! Tapos ito, ganyan.
Nana Pre Dorothy.
Bakit daw?
Nag-aaya ka daw ah.
Ipos ko yun. Ready? 1, 2. Pahila, pahila.
Hila.
Pahila mataas.
Ayaw magpa-Happy New Year.
Ayaw pa Happy New Year? Oh. Okay.
Okay, cheers!
Wala pa nga. Ako din basta dito ako.
Kiki-joy sila. Baso din daw si Tintin. Wine lang. Be, grapes lang yan.
Mike, sana. Mike.
Kay Mike na to, inom. Ako lang makis-cheers.
Oh, Mike.
Wala na, tayo na lang. Wait. Cheers!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Cheers! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Ayan, another. Pang second naman guys.
To you and your kid, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a
Happy New Year, Abby.
New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring
Ano
us
dapat?
some figgy pudding.
Okay, cheers na.
And bring
Kaya naman, lagyan mo na naman.
good tidings we bring.
Happy New Year!
We bring for you and your kin. Good tidings for
Happy New Year! Slice natin yung cake guys na napakataas at napakalaki. Ayan. Wow! And that's our simple celebration of welcoming 2026. Don't forget to subscribe, Junito Maranado Vlog, and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa mga videos natin. Happy New Year!